Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to set up date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down to the system and let's open the system options. Here choose date and time. As you can see, right now you've got automatic date and time and automatic time zone. But you can also disable these settings and now you can set your desired date. So here you can use the calendar, you can set the time and change the time zone. Here you've got the list of all time zones available. Here you can also use alphabetically sorting, and you may also here use or disable 12-hour format if you would like to. And basically everything is right here. Let me bring back the automatic setting of date and time and the time zone. So here you've got all you need to set up with your time. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.